there's a reason why we are here. So our distinguished guest, Congressman Martin Verga, our district supervisor, Mr. Benito Malabag, our principal too, Mrs. Ora J. Gandilla, members of the community, teachers, family, friends, and fellow graduates, good morning. Today is certainly one of our proudest moments. It is a time of reflecting on the past and looking onward to the future, and the time we, as graduates, get together for last hooray before moving on to bigger and better adventures. It also indicates beginning of something. My fellow graduates, we have been through so much together and have changed and grown together. Friendship quickly developed between students, and it was an exciting times in our lives. We were given new privileges as well as new responsibilities. Now, we finally did it. We completed the 7th year of education, from kindergarten to 6th grade. But I never imagined it would be this fast. As we end one glorious chapter of our lives, a new one begins. It is up to us to grab our pens and write our own stories. Let us build on our experiences for us to become better and for others around us. We really belong to this society and expected towards transformation. As we are facing and tackling the inevitable changes, hold on to our value system and your work ethic. These are the qualities that will guide us further into our journey. Ayon sa ating butihing kalihim ng edukasyon, tayo, bilang bagong sibol ng mga kabataan, ay tinatawag upang maging kaagapay tungo sa pagbabagong anyo ng lipunan, tugon sa hamon ng sambayanan. Ito ay magagawa natin kahit sa munting paraan lamang. Bilang mga anak, tumulong tayo sa ating mga magulang at maging magandang halimbawa sa ating mga kapatid. Bilang mga Pilipino, tumulong tayo sa ating kapwa Pilipino at sikaping maging kapaki-pakinabang na mamamayan ng ating lipunan. Today's achievement may fade even be forgotten. The applause may be a distant memory, and your certificates may gather dust in a shelf or in a drawer. But you will always be remembered for caring enough, for helping someone, and for making someone feel special. Getting a diploma today is not the end of the graduation, but rather the beginning of something special. It will be the start of our new adventures, new friendship, and new learnings. We will carry the memories of this challenging journey with us for the rest of our lives. While I am so honored to be your valedictorian, I am even more honored to be graduating with such an admirable group of people, a group who exerts enormous amounts of ambition and potential, like what our guest speaker did. Like what Eleanor Roosevelt said, the future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dream. Sa akin pong mga magulang, maraming salamat po sa inyong kabutihang loob, sakripisyo, pagmamalasakit sa aming magkakapatid. Ito po ang sukli sa inyong pagpupursige na may taguyod kami sa aming pag-aaral, sa kabila ng napakaraming hamon ng buhay. Makakaasa po kayo na ito ang simula upang mas lalo akong mabuting anak, huwarang mamamayan at isang Pilipino na naghahangad ng isang maunlad ng Pilipinas. Today's achievement may fade, even be forgotten. I would like to pay tribute to the wonderful teachers. You guided, molded, and shaped us to be a better person. Your role has been hugely instrumental in molding our youth, our hope for the future. To my fellow graduates, I heartily recommend that we should never stop trying to improve, and also improve the lives of those who are touched by you. And always remember that the person who graduates and stops learning is uneducated the day after that. Thank you very much, and I look forward to see what you build, and be a good example to our society, for we are the youth who will start for a change. Good luck, everyone. Have a good day, and God bless us.